Hello students, I am Suman V. Muni, guest faculty, Department of English, Degree College, Jagannathpur, Kolhan University, Chaivasa. Today, this is an introductory class on phonetics. It is for the DSc English 6th semester students. Today, I will start with the discussion about phonetics. So, what is phonetics? Phonetics has been defined as the science of speech sounds. Phonetics derived from the Greek word phon, which means sound or voice. It is a branch of linguistics that makes scientific study of the production, transmission, and reception of speech sounds. Thus, phonetics studies the medium of spoken language. A complex of activities is involved in speaking and listening. The production of speech is the outcome of simultaneous activities of a number of organs of the body. Phonetics is thus a pure science which touches upon physiology and physics and studies speech processes, including the anatomy, neurology, and pathology of speech, as well as the articulation, description, classification, production, and perception of speech sounds. More simply put, phonetics studies the speech organs which produce sounds of language. It studies waves, the physical form in which the sounds are transmitted through the air from one person to another, and it studies the process in which human beings perceive sounds through the medium of the ear. Naturally, in this study, we have to study the functioning of the various organs of speech like lungs, larynx, soft palate, tongue, and lips. We have also to study airstream mechanism, phonatory, physical nature of sounds, and the ear and the brain which receive the sounds and change them into percepts. Phonetics has three major branches: articulatory or physiological phonetics, 2. Auditory or perceptual phonetics, 3. Acoustic phonetics. First, we will discuss about articulatory or physiological phonetics. This branch of phonetics recognizes that human body possesses speech producing mechanism described as apparatus, but the apparatus is not a separate entity inside the human body for producing speech sounds exclusively. It consists in the organs which form part of the respiratory and digestive functions, and speaking is an overlaid function performed by them. In this way, lips, teeth, tongue, hard palate, soft palate, trachea, lungs, all these organs perform basic biological functions, but at the same time they are used in producing speech. Articulatory phonetics studies all this and also studies how the outgoing air stream in speaking is regulated along the vocal tract to form various speech. Number 2, auditory or perceptual phonetics. It is concerned with speech perception, how the brain thinks of what the ears hear. In this branch of phonetics, study made of how speech sounds are heard and perceived. It requires an intense study of perception as well as of the mechanism of the neuromuscular circuitry. The whole process may be divided into three stages. What are the three stages of auditory or perceptual phonetics? Number one, the physical aspect of the auditory system, which involves a detailed description of the external, middle, and inner ear. The neural network having the auditory receptive centers and the system which is responsible for translating acoustic signals into auditory sensations. Number 2, recognition of the essential characteristics of hearing, which include loudness, absolute, sensitivity, frequency tones, elimination traces of sounds, pitch, etc. And third, interpreting auditory sensation, their attributes and their relation to the signals. Now, number 3, acoustic phonetics. Acoustic phonetics concerned with the traits of the sound waves and how the inner ear hears them. The brand of phonetics studies the physical properties of speech sounds such as nasality, obstruction or friction of the air passage, sibilant and the lateral quality, loudness, amplitude and turbulence of the air flow. Acoustic phonetics has been helped in a big way by the development in the field of acoustic physics, as where new instruments with accurate measuring capacities have brought about revolution. That's all from my side. Thank you all.